to change the batteries on the PIVOT ROV. Your Pivot comes with 2 pre-installed batteries and 2 spare batteries in the accessory case. Each set of batteries will last up to 3 hours depending on configuration and can charge from empty to full in 1.5 hours. This allows for continuous operation of the ROV with access to topside power. Before removing the batteries, make sure that the unit is powered off. Loosen the thumb screw located at the front of the battery. Pull out the cotter pin at the rear of the battery. Slide the battery backwards out of the ROV. Align the replacement battery with the groove at the bottom of the battery track and slide it into place. Tighten the thumb screw at the front of the battery. Insert the cotter pin at the rear of the battery. Repeat this process with your second battery and you are ready to continue your mission.